Oliver, what's your favorite ride at Disneyland?
Well, which park?
Either one.
Radiator Springs, Goofy's Sky School, and if I have to do one on the other part, then I would probably do Autotopia. Or something.
Autopia?
Autotopia. And then Space Mountain.
Okay, fun.
And
What's your favorite ride at Disneyland?
Ariel.
Ocean, what's your favorite ride at Disneyland?
Spider-Man.
Spider-Man, what about Daddy?
Incredicoaster.
Oh, hi.
Where are you going?
Where are we?
Disneyland. Autotopia.
Is it Autotopia or Autopia? Like Autopia. Auto.
Sponsored by
Hi, Miss Girl. Ocean, are you gonna drive?
Ocean, you can drive. Look at the camera.
Ocean, is Oliver a crazy driver? Ah! Oliver, are you driving? Whoa, go straight, go straight.
There's a turn. I'm turning, but then the car pumps it. Today we're going to be trying a picnic time watermelon lemonade. Let's try it.
Where are we?
Oh, we're at Disneyland.
And you can get this at Daisy's Cafe in Toontown. Ocean. All right, let's try it.
Tiny little watermelons in it. Ooh, that's sour.
Is it? Try it with the candy.
Try with the straw.
It's pretty good.
Good? Yeah.
Ooh,
What do you think, Oshi?
pretty good.
Good? All right, what's the rating?
I think that's like a 6 out of 10. Chippendale's Gadget Toaster.
Ocean, are you going to go on a roller coaster?
No, it's so silly. Yes. That is pretty good.
What was it?
It's a
It's a croissant cookie
croissant
from Maurice's
and
Tower.
and sugar.
Yeah. Okay, Mommy's going to try.
Want to try it again?
What's your rating?
About 6 out, 7 out of 10.
Okay.
For